You can slow the video speed if the playback feels too fast. Choose the app that suits your requirement and download it for health checking. To open or close the meter cover, gently slide it. Insert the battery provided in your kit. To enter setup mode, press both the right and left buttons simultaneously. Use the right or left button to select the correct time. Then press M to save your choice. You can turn off the device sound by pressing either the left or right button. To clear previous records from your meter, select Yes. If you wish to retain the records, select No. Prepare a tissue and place it nearby for later use. Take one lancet from the lancet pouch and place it on the tissue. First, open the device by twisting and removing the cap. Second, insert the lancet firmly. Then, twist off the safety disc from the lancet and set it aside. Replace and lock the cap by twisting. Adjust the puncture depth by selecting the appropriate setting on the tips. Cock the device by pulling the top until the release button turns orange. Check the expiration date before use. Ensure that the side of the test strip displaying the BG wording is facing upwards when inserting it. Wait for the meter to display CH. Clean your hands with alcohol spray or wash them with soap first. Stimulate blood flow by rubbing the test site. Press the lanced area, then release it to obtain a blood sample. Discard the first drop of blood. Use the second drop for testing. Make sure to provide the minimum required blood volume to avoid test failure. If the blood sample is insufficient, use a new strip, a deeper lancet, and try again. Hold the meter at an angle to absorb the blood without smearing it on the strip. Then, wait for 5 seconds for the test result. Open the FORA HM app. Pair the meter with your smartphone by selecting Add when the meter's name appears. Return to the setting page and tap Yes to save the meter pairing. Select Bluetooth Smart Meter. Wait a few seconds for the data to transmit. The result will then appear. Remove the test strip by pushing the eject button on the side. After removing the strip, you can still transfer your data to the app. Properly dispose of the used lancet and test strip. Gently push the black part forward to release the lancet. Finally, close the accessories cap. Ensure the needle is safely covered with the safety disc. Confirm the control solution is for blood glucose strips. The control solution is labeled normal, which corresponds to the normal range printed on the test strip vial, 1091 for 7. If your result is within this range, the strips and meter are working properly. Shake the control solution well before use. Dispense a drop onto the control solution bottle cap. Insert a new test strip to turn the meter on. Absorb the drop with the meter held at an angle. Wait 5 seconds for the result and compare it to the range on the test strip pack.